Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What happens when you put non-dishwasher safe dishes in the dishwasher? Unless the manufacturer specifically states that an item is dishwasher safe, do not put cookware with a non-stick coating in the dishwasher. Over time, the dishwashing process can break down the coating, causing it to flake off during cooking and ruining the non-stick finish. Can sheet pans go in the dishwasher? Baking sheets are not dishwasher safe. The best way to clean a baking sheet is by hand with soapy water. If your sheet has stains and burns that can't be cleaned with soapy water, consider spraying it with oven spray and letting it work for 20 minutes. After, the stains and burns should come right off. Can Teflon go in the dishwasher? Fact: some Teflon non-stick coatings are guaranteed for the life of the pan. Myth: non-stick coated pans cannot be put in the dishwasher. Fact: if a pan has Teflon non-stick coatings and is from a reputable manufacturer, it can be put in the dishwasher. Can wooden spoons go in the dishwasher? Wooden utensils, bowls, cutting boards, etc., should never go into your dishwasher. When wood is exposed to such high heat and moisture for a long washing cycle, it can warp, splinter and eventually break. Instead, wash wood items by hand using warm, soapy water and dry them with a towel right away.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.